Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So we'll be starting. So till we discussed three Upanishad, Isha, Kena and Katha Upanishad. Now today we'll be talking on next Upanishad, fourth one, which is called as Prashna Upanishad. Prashna itself you can understand the meaning. Prashna means questions. Upanishad means the scriptures. In which scriptures explain different types of questions. The question answers will be there. In this, if you read this Upanishad, you will get different types of questions. So hence this Upanishad name has given as Prashna Upanishad because this Upanishad started with questioning. If the question asked in net exam, the reason behind this Upanishad name has given as Prashna Upanishad, ABCD option will comes. The answer should be this Upanishad started with questioning. That's why name has given Prashna Upanishad. We'll be looking one by one. Now Isha Upanishad belongs to which Veda? Ishavasya Upanishad, Shukla Yajurveda. Kena Upanishad belongs to Samaveda. And Katha Upanishad belongs to Krishna Yajurveda. All these things should be clear in your mind. Now we will be talking on Prashna Upanishad. See the first point here. Atharva Vedya Pipalad Sakha. This Upanishad belongs to Atharva Veda. If you see, we discussed already, we have the yes. We are having four Veda, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Atharva Veda. And here Prashna Upanishad belongs to Atharva Vedya mainly Pippalad Sakha. Pippalad Sakha. There are several Sakhas are there. Ashula and Pippalad under this Upanishad. So here the mainly Sakha, specific Sakha is known as Pippalad Sakha and the Veda name is Atharva Veda. Atharva meaning is Natharva Atharva, Ahimsa. In which Veda explain different types of Ahimsa. Means there is no himsa. If you read Atharva Veda, there is no much more sacrifices. Bali, like we do Mahisha Bali, buffalo, goat Balis are there. If you read the Yajurveda, different types of Yagya purpose, different types of Bali, sacrifices. Here there is that kind of Ahimsa. That kind of Himsa is not there. That's why it's called Atharva. Tharva means Himsa, Atharva means Ahimsa. Okay. So it is belongs to this Veda, Atharva Veda. Now if you see, due to asking the questions, because this Upanishad started with the questioning, that's why name has given as Prashna Upanishad. Ishavasya Upanishad started with Ishavasya Idam Sarvam Yatkincham Yagatam Yakat. Isha. So based on that name has given Ishavasya Upanishad. Kena Upanishad started with Keneshitam Patati Prashitam Manaha. Kena. That's why name has given Kena Upanishad. Katha Upanishad started with the Kathanama Rishi. He has given that Vidya. So that's why name has given Katha Upanishad. And here it started with the questioning. That's why name has given as Prashna Upanishad. Now the next point is see here. Total 6 questions. How many questions exam they will ask? How many questions asked under this Upanishad? A, B, C, D. Then your answer must be 6 questions. Not 4, not 5, not 10. Mainly question is 6. Under 6 also will be looking. Sub questions are there. Mainly ask 6 questions by 6 rishis. Like in your class you will be having doubt. 6 students they may ask questions to a teacher. Under that there are so many doubts are there, but main doubts are 6. Main questions are 6. Here also 6 questions asked by 6 rishis. Main questions. And under one question there are some divisions, subdivisions they had. But mainly question is 6. In exam if they ask question how many questions asked in Prashna Upanishad, then your answer must be 6. Okay. Now the all questions asked to Rishi Pippalad and he was giving the answer. All kind of rishis they came to Pippalad. Okay. And they asked the question, different types of questions or doubt. And Pippalad was giving the answer. He was the guru. Last NET exam this question asked. Like Prashna Upanishad related Rishi name is, some question was there. Their answer is Pippalad. I think you have attended the last exam, you can know. Harshita and all. This question was there. Like Prashna Upanishad related Rishi is something like that. So the answer was Pippalad. So people receive was giving the answer, and question was asked by different types of Shishyas or student. Now here our syllabus, in NET syllabus, we have two things, main three things. Prana or Rai explanations, Prana and Rai, we will be looking one by one. Next Pancha Prana. Next main 6 questions. These are our syllabus, NET syllabus. Prana means here Surya, common word. Rai means Chandra or moon. Panchaprana means we know Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, Samana, all these 5. And main 6 question one by one we will be looking. Till here, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, when all 6 rishis went to Pippalad, how many rishis went? 6. To whom? Pippalad, and planning for asking some questions. Planning means they had some doubt and they went to Pippalad to ask some question to get the answer. They went. Then what told Pippalad told? Yes, definitely, I will definitely give the answer. Whatever you have doubt, no problem. But at first you should practice Brahmacharya. Remember, Brahmacharya for minimum 1 year. 1 year purpose. You have to practice Brahmacharya for about 1 year. Then only I can give your all questions answer. Otherwise I cannot give. Net exam question may ask. When they ask question to Pippalad, then Pippalad what he told? They told for Brahmacharya you should practice not only for 1 day, 2 day or 1 month. How many years? 1 year minimum. Hattrapati also explained like Mitahari Brahmachari Abdat Urdham Yavat Abhyashit. Minimum you have to be Mitahari. Mitahara must be the moderate diet plus Brahmachari you should be there for about minimum 1 year to get success in yoga. Same thing explanation here. You should remember the key points. And here was the rishis, like rishis and their questions here. 6 rishis and their 6 main questions. If you see the first rishi were Kabandhi. Kabandhi. His question was there, Praja Utpatti Katham Bhavati. How Praja? Praja means human beings gets birth. Utpatti. Utpatti means evolution, manifestation. How it takes place? I want to know that. This is the first question asked by Kavandhi. You should be noted. Make the notes. They may ask who was the first rishi or second rishi, third. They will make the shuffle, like make the arrange the order. Anything they may ask. Okay. 2019 December this question was asked. Like rishi number 5th Satyakama, he was asking what kind of questions. So you should know the rishi name, sequence plus the questions. Okay. Kabandi was the first rishi and his questions was there. His questions. Praja Utpatti Katham Bhavati. How Praja gets birth. Praja means human being. First questions. Second question asked by Bhargava. Okay. Bhargava. Like second question was the Prajanam Adharavhuta Kaha. The Adharavhuta, the basement of Praja, human being. What is that? Basement. Okay, means for example, if I tell our basement is universe, nature, we are eating food from nature only. Fruits, dal, chaval, roti, whatever you can take. We are getting from nature. So our Aadhar, the main thing is food. Same thing ask questions here. What is the Adharabhuta? Main things or main the dependent body. What is that? Now you and me, we are now in a meeting. Our Adharabhuta is maybe laptop, maybe network, whatever it may be. Without that, we cannot stay. We cannot contact each other. Same thing explanation here. This question asked by Bhargava. Bhriguhu student or Bhrigu son. Bhrigu apattam pumana Bhargavaha. Bhrigu, if you go to again Taittiriya Upanishad, you will get the Aruni and Bhrigu Sambhat. So that was the person. Okay, Bhrigu's son was Bhargava. He was asking these questions. Prajanam Adharavhuta Kaha. What is the basement of Prajas? Praja means human being. Third question asked by Kaushalya. You should not get confused here. Like Ramayana, you get the story of Kaushalya, Kaikeyi, Sumitra. Not that Kaushalya. Here Kaushalya is a rishi, male, not female. There is a female Ramayana story. Here Kaushalya is some other. Kaushalya. Another name is Ashwalayan. This name also you should remember. Ashwalayan. Exam, they may ask any one option. They may give this thing or these things. Kaushalya or Ashwalayan. And his question was there like Prana Utpatti Katham Bhavati. Prana Utpatti, Prana, Pancha Prana. Their Utpatti, how happen? What is the cause behind that? Okay, he was asking this question, Prana Utpatti, how Prana gets birth, Utpatti. Next Rishi's, fourth number Rishi's name is Shaurani or Garga. Shaurani Rishi or Garga. His name, synonym only. His question was there, Jivatma and Paramatma Sambandhita. They are related to Jivatma and Paramatma. What is Jivatma and what is Paramatma? He was knowing that. He was not knowing and he was asking that kind of questions. Who? Shaurani or Garga. Fourth Rishi. Rishi number 4. If you go for
Yes, sir.
yes, next is asked by fifth number Satyakama. Satyakama. His question was there Omkara Upasana and its phalam. The result of Omkara and the Upasana of Omkara. If you practice Omkara, what are the procedure of Omkara? How to practice? And if we practice, what is the benefit, result? This question was asked. And this question asked in NET exam also. 2 years back mostly. Not this NET, previous NET. Satyakama was asking what kind of questions. The answer was there, some options were there. The right answer is Omkara, Pranava related questions. This is a question asked by Satyakama, number 5th Rishi. And last one is called Shukesha. Shukesha. Okay. His question was there, Shorasha Kala Yukta Purusha Kaha. Who is that person who is having 16 Kala? Shorasha Kala. Shorasha Kala, I think you know. 16 Kala. Okay. We'll be looking one by one, no problem. So these are the 6 Rishis and the specific 6 questions. Okay. Now, if you go to Rishi number 2, he was Bhargava. His main question was there, Prajanam Adhara Bhuta Kaha. What is the basement of this Praja, human being? Basement, what is that? Like our human being, our basement is there, nature. We get food from nature, all these things. We get oxygen, everything. So under this question itself, he asked total 3 questions. Remember, he has total 3 questions. These are the sub questions. Under this question itself, he has 3 questions related to these main questions. Prajanam Adharabhuta Kaha. He has another 2 questions. Means sub questions were 2 plus main question 1. Total 3. Same way, Kaushalya or Ashwalayan, he has main question is Prana Utpatti Katham Bhavati. How Prana gets manifest. That is the questions. Under this itself, he has 5 more sub questions. So total question is 6th. Okay. And next is Shaurani or Gargya. He asked total 5 questions. 4 sub question and main question was Jivatma and Paramatma related. Okay. Now you should not get doubt if NET exam question asks how many questions explained in this Upanishad, in Prashna Upanishad, then your answer should be 6th, no doubt. Main question. If they ask specifically, like Bhargava asks how many questions, if there is no option like 1, like option is there 3, 7, 10, 5, then you should go with option is 3. If they ask Kaushalya or Ashwalayan specifically, how many questions he has? Option is there 6. There is no option like 1. Option 1 is not there, then you should go for 6. If there is no option like 1, then you should go for 5th for Shaurani. Is it clear? I will go now one by one, little deep into that. No one answering. Gopal Krishna, Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first questions asked by Kabandi, we did discuss already. First questions, Kabandi. And his question was there, how Praja get manifest? First questions, how Praja get manifest? Prajanam Utpatti Katham Bhavati. Then the answer given by whom? Who was giving the answer? Anyone can tell? Who was giving the answer?
Pippala.
Pippalat. Yes. And his answer was there from Rai and Prana. Rai and Prana. Rai means Chandra. Remember, Prana means Surya. Another word you can take Prana as male or Purusha, Rai as Stri. When they combined together or did Mithuna, Mithuna means intercourse. When they did, then only manifest what? Manifest Praja. Praja means human being. What manifestation? Like Prakriti Purusha comes together, Pangu Andhavat. Then only Sarga start, evolution takes place. If you go to Sankhya-Karika, Pangu Andhavat Ubhayapis Tatkrita Sargaha. Sarga means not heaven, evolution. So here question was there, how Praja get manifest? And the answer is when Rai and Prana combines together. Then on the after combination, if they go for the intercourse, Mithuna, Sahavasha, then only manifestation takes place of Praja. This is the first answer. And you should know Prana means Purusha Shakti, Surya, not Chandra, Surya. And Rai means Tri Shakti, Chandra. Or Prakriti also you can tell. We will be looking the synonym of all this. Okay. This is the first question asked by Kabandhi. Very clearly you should remember in your mind. Second question. Sorry, still first question is going on. Now you may ask questions, how it's possible? It tells here, Prajapati Brahma did tapasya and by his sankalpa shakti, sankalpa. Sankalpa, you know, when once you decided that I have to do, you will be doing like that. There is no other options. A minute. Yes, here Suraksha is not present. What happened to Suraksha? She is telling network some issue. But network hang issue. Okay, no problem. Our network has no issue. Our side only. Let it be. So Prajapati Brahma did tapasya and by his sankalpa shakti. Sankalpa means once you decide I have to do this time I need to clear GRF. Sankalpa. Somehow do or die. Even though you only 2-3 days uta, no uta. You have no food, anything, no problem. If you read the confirmation, yes, I have to clear, that kind of dedication must be there. So that Sankalpa Shakti, who did? Brahma. And he given birth to Prana and Rai. Remember, Prana and Rai, if you read the Bible, you will get the story. Adam and Eve, first they given the birth to the next generation. From here, Adam and Eve got birth, there is no explanation for Bible. But here he is telling, Brahma only did the tapasya, Sankalpa Shakti Madhyavena. By the Sankalpa Shakti, he only given the birth to Prana and Rai. From Prana and Rai, all kinds of manifestation starts, means mankind start. You got the point. First Brahma was there, he only given the birth to whom? Prana and Rai. Prana is the Punglinga, Prana means Prakriti, Ishvara, or Purusha you can take as Purusha, and Rai is the Chandram or Prakriti. They combined and they given birth to the Praja. Okay. Now if you see some quality from here, this chart, 2017 December, one question asked. 2017 December or November or December, that range. 17, second net, this question asked here. So Prana and Rai, there are some synonym or some quality explains here. Prana already told means Surya or Purusha. Rai is Tri or Chandra or Prakriti, already you know. Now little deep under that. Chetanaha, Prana is Chetanaha. If you remember the Purusha also Chetanaha. Sankhya-Karika. If you read, you can understand. Chetanaha, Chetana Dharmi, Prashava Dharmi, all these things comes. Chetana, Achena is Prakriti or Jada. Who don't have the consciousness is called Prakriti. Prakriti actually is not conscious, not have the quality to think, to do anything. When they combine Purusha and Prakriti, they only start evolutions. How here happens? They combine and they give birth for Prakriti, evolution. Same story you can remember. Sankhya philosophy. Surya, the synonym of prana is Surya, and here Chandra, opposite. You have to know this name. Last time, 2017 net, this question asked in third paper. This is called Peraka Shakti. Peraka means always giving, not taking. Giving, giving, giving. Like your father. Your father is giving money to you so that you can survive. And you are taking always. Bhogya Shakti. Bhagya means one who enjoy always. Not giving the enjoyment to others. Always enjoying. Opposite quality. Shreya Marga or Nibritti Marga. And this is called Preya Marga or Pravitti Marga. Preya means, I think I discussed already in Katha Upanishad. What is Shreya Marga? Harshita, Shreya Marga. Sri Lakshmi, Shreya Marga. What do you mean by Shreya Marga?
Good things, sir, like self-realization.
Yes, self-realization's purpose, Nishkama Bhava, yes, that is the moksha purpose given. And Preya Marga, opposite of that.
Worldly objects.
Yes, 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 yes. Means enjoying with this Sakama Bhava, enjoyment all in this universe. Pravitti, you will become very chanchala, you will be active to enjoy this universe. Pravitti Marga, opposite. This is called Dina. Dina means day, and this is called night, Ratri. This is called Uttarayan. If you read Ritucharya, these things will come. Uttarayan. And this is known as Dakshinayan. Surya or Prana is known as Devayana. And the what is called Rai is known as Pitriyana. This is known as Shukla Paksha and Rai is known as Krishna Paksha. Prana known as Atya. Atya means one who eats. One who eat. Anya means whom eat. Means Prakriti is it means what do you say? Purusa is eating to Prakriti. Or Prana is eating to Rai. Because he is the Karta. So this kind of quality you should by heart, you should remember. No need to by heart, it's the opposite quality you can remember. From this quality one question asked, I told already that time. Okay. Next, under this first question itself, we are talking the first questions. So discussing about the Prajapati Sarupa, Prajapati Brahma, already told. From Prajapati Brahma, what happened? Prana and Rai evolved by the Shankara Shakti of Brahma, and from Prana and Rai, this universe starts, Praja starts. And what is Prajapati Sarupa? He was asking questions. Who? First we see Kavandhi. He telling here Prajapati Sarupa is Panchapada Yukta, Panchapada, which having 5 legs, Pada. And here 5 legs known as Panchaprana. You know Panchaprana, no need to discuss. Mukhya Prana, Prana, Apana, Vyana, Udana, and Shamana. Plus explain here Panchabhuta, Mahabhuta, like Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Apa and Prithvi. We know all 5. These 2 things comes under Panchapada of Prajapati Sarupa Brahma. Very clearly you should know. Next explain here 12 Akriti Yukta. The Prajapati Brahma having the 12 Akriti structure. How? 12 mouth. The 12th opening. Okay. Like if you go to Katha Upanishad, how many openings are there of the human being? Explain there like I already discussed Hiranyagarbha Purusha. How many openings are there of that particular person? Anyone can tell the answer? How many openings?
11.
11 opening. Very good answer.
11 openings.
Yes. And here explain there are 12 opening. You should be very clear with this. What are the 12? Month, January, February to December. All 12 months are the opening of that. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, all this. It explains Sanskrit, explains the Sanskrit month like Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashara, all this. I read it in English. You can go for that also. So 12th month is known as 12th mouth opening. Every month something new will be there. Akriti Yukta. Next explain. Antariksha Dharana Karta. He is the holder. He is holding the Antariksha universe. And here specifically no explanation is not there. Specifically there is no explanations here. I have gone through the Bhashya also, but there is no explanation of this particular. So Antariksha Dharana Karta, who holds this Antariksha, for him only Antariksha moves or kinds of activities is going on under the Antariksha. Prajapati Sarupa, he is the main, the creator, he is the main, the person who is channelizing all this. Next explanation here, Sapta Chakra Yukta, who is having the 7 chakra. Should not get confused. 7 chakra means not like Muladhara Swadhisthana, no. Here 7 chakra is known as 7 days. Sapta Dinam, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to Saturday. 7 days. Next exam you may get questions like this. In Prashna Upanishad, Sapta Chakra known as, you will get options like Muladhara, Swadhisthana, 7 days, like this. There you will get the answer with 7 days. Should not get confused. Remember, these are the uncommon things. That's why you need to make the point. Sapta Chakra Yukta. Next one here, 6 Ritabaha, who is having in his body itself 6 season. Like we know, summer, autumn, spring, rainy, monsoon, all these things we know, winter, all this. 6 seasons present. Sarupa is telling here, structure or the Rupa. If you read to Ishavasya Upanishad, they will tell Brahma is Ashabda, Sparsha, Rupam, Tatha Avyayam, Nitya, Sarvagata, Stanu, Achalayam, Sanatana, like this 9 qualities explained. Saparya Gucha, Kama, Kramam, like this again 12 qualities also explained in Ishavasya Upanishad. Okay. So here explain only these are the qualities. Plus explain here Dina Ratri, day and night is done by him only. Anya Virya, Anya means food is gets manifest. Virya, the strength, the persons, Praja, getting strength for him only. So everything is done by Prajapati. Prajapati means Prajapati Brahma. So these are the qualities you should keep in your mind. Chance they may ask questions here because it is the uncommon. Like Panchapada, what are the Panchapada? They may ask questions. ABCD option you may get Panchapada plus Panchamahabhuta. 12 Akriti means 12 month, January to December. Who is holding this Antariksha universe? Sapta Chakra, 7 days, 7 season, 6 season, summer to winter, all these things are there. Plus everything is day and night done by him. Anna Virya, and everything is done by him only because he is the Srashta. So these are the Sarupa or features of Prajapati. So we completed first questions here. Who is asked this first question is Kavandhi Rishi. Do you have any doubts in first questions? Anyone? Any doubt? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you should tell. Now we will go for the second questions. Who asked second question? Asked by Bhargava. Next example, this type of question asked. Second question asked by this and this. So you should choose Bhargava. What questions? I already told. He asked how many questions? 3 questions. Main question is only 1. Under that 2 sub questions. So total 3. Okay. So his question is, first question is there. Which Devata do dharana of Praja? Which Devata? Who is the Devata? Who is to the dharana Praja? Praja Utpatti Aitu. Praja already got the evolutions, manifestation over. Now who is holding that? Who is the person who is taking care of that particular? Like my father and mother given birth me, and who is taking care of mine? They only. Or nature only. Now here question asks who is that person or who is that Devata who is taking care of that dharana? Then the answer given is Prana eva Pranam. Prana. Prana is the person. Here Prana means Surya. Prana and Rai is there. Rai. So Prana. He is taking care of him. Whom? Taking care of Praja. Next question asks, which Devata gives power? Power in the sense Prakasha, lighting, Main is prakasha, what they use, lighting, to praja. Praja will be in ignorance. Means first, if you see, when you get birth first time, your mother will be tell papa, father, he is mother, like they will be telling, because you are in agyana, you don't know. Then after 1 year you will be knowing, hey, this is father, this is mother, all these things. So in that agyana stage, who helps or who gives the prakasha, light, to praja? Then answer given, prana only. Prana only person who is given that power or the energy or that light, prakash. Okay. Next question asks, who is the supreme devata? Supreme, srashtha devata. Explain here, prana eva. Prana is the prashtha because he is doing everything. He is the srashtha. When you are going to die, that time prana will be there. Like which prana will be there when you are going to die? Which prana
Is
will?
it, is it Udiana?
No. Prana. No, it comes under sub prana. Last prana, last sub prana. Anyone can tell? Dhananjaya.
Dhananjaya.
Yes, right answer. Dhananjaya will be present mittu prant. After the death also it will be present. So you will get here the points. Who is the supreme devata? This is the third questions, and the devata is prana. Prana is the supreme. So these are the questions asked by Bhargava Muni. So this is the second questions. Under second question itself, he asked 3 questions. Total 3 questions asked by this student or this rishi. Who is the rishi? Bhargava. Next, the third questions asked by Kaushalya. Third questions. Okay. How many questions he asked Kaushalya? 6 questions total. If you see. So first question is here. Pranaha kutha utpaddate. Pranaha kutha utpaddate. Prana, you are telling prana gives the birth to praja and praja. So how prana gets birth? Already we discussed prana gets birth from, prana and rai gets birth from Brahma, because this is Sankalpa Shakti. Here tells about the prana gets utpatti from Atma Sakshat. Atma only means Brahma only. Brahma only created Sakshat. You cannot give the answer who is first, like egg or the hen. Who is first? We don't know. Someone may tell hen is first, someone will tell egg is first. We don't know answer. So we are telling Atma Sakshat only. Who got birth? Birth got by prana only. Prana got birth from Atma Sakshat. Prana utpaddate. First question. Under only some question asked like how prana get into the body, how prana enters into the body. Like prana, apana, vyana, udana, all these things are there. How they enters into our body. That may explain here. Manasa sankalpena. The sankalpa of manas, mind. Manas sankalpa is Brahma manasa. Brahma will think that prana should be fixed into this heart place. Yes. Apana should be in below the navel. Okay. Udana should be at the throat area. Like this he channelized the all pranas. So the sankalpa Brahman, the mind, how he thought, based on that thing, based on that only, all pranas are got placement. So here question was how prana gets into the body, how prana they enters into the body and they get their own position. The answer given by the Sankalpa Shakti, Sankalpa energy of Brahman. Next question is how prana separates himself. How prana gets separate. If the prana enters into the body and how they get separate. What is the power and who is that worker, who is the main master who channelize, who make them separate. This is the questions by Kaushalya. Third questions. Remember, first question asked by Kabandi, second asked by Bhargava, third by Kaushalya. Okay. And the answer given, how they get separate, how a Chakravati Samrat. Chakravati Samrat means king, common word. If you read Nadamindu Upanishad, this name will come. The 12 matra Omkara practice, if you practice, second matra, if you go in that stage, you will become the Chakravati Samrat. So in that sense, you will get the answer. So what question I ask here is, how prana separate themselves. Prana will be there, prana, apana, vyana, udana. So the main prana, how they get separate. So that answer is given here. How a Chakravati Samrat given appointment. Chakraswamy is a king. For example, you take as your country prime minister. How he gives the right, or how he appointment every political leader or any leader for that particular place. For example, for your district, some DM will be there, district magistrate. For other districts, some other magistrate will be there. Like this way, it will be there. So how he separate them based on their criteria, quality. Same way, explain here, gives the appointment to the specific officer separately. Specific officer. If you are a forest officer, okay, he will give the job in a forest, not in a public sector. If you are a IS person or IPS person, he will give the job to a public sector. So based on that your specification, they will give the job. Same way here, how they done Chakravarti Samrat, like a king or a Pradhan Mantri or anything you can take, leader. Okay. Like you can take your department teacher also, who is expert in that particular field. He will send that teacher to take that subject. He won't give some other teacher to take that because he is expert in that particular. So based on that things only, prana separates all other upapranas. Like main prana is only one. From main prana only start prana, apana, vyana, udana and shamana. Again, sub pranas are there like Naga, Kurma, Krikala, Devadatta, Dhananjaya, all these are there. Main is prana only, which is called as pranic energy or the pranic shakti. From there, prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, all five. Then again, other five like Naga, Kurma and all. So here question was there, how prana separate himself? This is the rules. How Chakravarti Samrat given appointment to a specific officer. Same way, the prana separates all other five pranas. This is the three questions so far under Kaushalya. Next question is there, question number 4. Sariram katham utkramayati. Okay. Sarira katham utkramayati. How body, okay, goes to other loka. Others loka means, for example, if you die, someone will tell you will go to Sarga or non Naraka or anywhere else, some other loka. How it's possible? Who is that person? 2 years back, this question asked. Tell the pranavayu name which helps to take the urdhva loka. Which pranavayu?
Udana.
Yes, this question was there. So your answer is Udanena. Here you get the reference. In which Upanishad? Prashna Upanishad. Because if you die, it may take you Naraka or it may lead to Sarga or any other Chaturdasha Loka. How? Which Vayu helps to that? Udana Vayu. You got the answer. Now here, Udana gets Santa and it got out Urdhagami. It go out, Urdhagami means upward through Sushumna. Sushumna Nadi will be there. If you see the Sushumna Nadi emerges from the Muladhara and it's going to merge into Sahasra. Or you can say as Brahma Randhra, the opening of Brahma. Randhra means hole. Okay. So here it's going to passes through the Sushumna Marga, middle one. Ira Pingala Sushumna is the middle one. So from that route it goes up. Short question may ask, the route way of Urdhagama, the route way of Udana. They will got Ira, Pingala or Chitra or any other what is called Nadi they may keep like Yashashini, Pusha or any other things. So you should choose their option is Sushumna, Sushumna Margena. Okay, it will move from Muladhara to Sushumna, Sahasra Veda. He will, Veda means do Chedana or cut out, opens the root of Sushumna and goes up Loka, above Loka or other Loka. Okay, this question asked, remember. Next explanation here, how prana acts on external Jagat, universe. How prana acts. Okay. The answer given here, prana Surya Rupena Karyam Karoti. Prana already told. Prana known as Surya only. Surya Rupa. Chandra Rupa it won't be. Surya Rupena. Because Surya is known as the activations. If you practice Surya Vedana, is known as the activation of the pranic energy. So here prana stands for the Surya. So how prana acts? Surya Rupena, as a Surya sun, he start to function. Next question asks, how prana acts on inner jagat? Inner. Outer you understood as a sun, you will work. Like for example, you are actually your profession is student, but if you go to a marriage party, you will become a daughter of any person, or if you go to any office, you will become a colleague of any other person. So your character is getting changed, your work duty is getting changed. Same way, explain here, prana is the main thing. When he goes outside to do external activities, then prana will become surya. Okay, and when it's need for the work for the inside, inner jagat means inside your body, that time its function as a pranavayu rupena. Like digestion purpose, you need to work as a samana. For the defecations or the maturation purpose, the prana acts as a which vayu? Prana acts as a apana vayu.
Upon
Apana vayu. So to give the good speech, throat, good sound, which vayu works as udana vayu. So in that sense, a good-hearted person, he is a very good-hearted person. So here prana vayu is very good. If a person is very good, see the practical example, if a person is very good-hearted person, his mind will be always stable, because prana is stable. And Chalavata Chalamjit, you know the story. Prana is stable means mind will be stable, because its heart is connected towards that. That's why we tell my heart. Everything is not done by heart only the pumping machine only, as we note. Everything is done by brain only, due to the what do you say, serotonin or different types of hormone, oxytocin and all, dopamine and all. But still we used to say, so the inner activities done by prana vayu rupena. All other different types of 5 pranas, they will work based on their need. Okay, so here they explain about the 6 questions. Now you should be very clear, some explanation given prana and their location. Okay, now if you see the, please remember this sequence. This sequence only present in this Upanishad order. If you go for some other Upanishad or Vedanta philosophy, you will get first comes prana, then apana, then vyana, then udana, and at the end samana. Prana, apana, vyana, udana, samana, according to Vedanta Sar, Brahma Sutra, and other Upanishads also you will get. But according to this Upanishad, which Upanishad? According to Prashna Upanishad, you need to remember this is the order. First comes apana, then prana, then samana, then vyana, and next comes udana. Okay, so you need to remember where prana is located. Apana located, guda and upastha. We know guda means the rectum, upastha means the genital organ. We know while defecation and the maturation we used to do that. Which vayu? Apana vayu is located there. Easy, common, no need to remember here. Now prana, see, prana mainly is located into hridaya sthana, other text. But here tell prana located in the mukha, face, plus nashika, nose, chakshu, eyes, and shotra, ears. These 4 places who located pranavayu. Very important point. Question will ask, according to this Upanishad, the location of pranavayu is. They will give the options, and you will write according to Vedanta, like prana is located at the hridaya sthana, heart. Reason? No, wrong answer. The answer should be mukha, nashika, chakshu, and sotra. Remember ENT. ENT problem. Ear, N, nose, and T, throat. If you remember, EN means you can get the ear and nose are common here. Mukha also you can make shortcut tricks, whatever you can make your wish. But you should get the answer, that's all. Samana. Samana located where? Nabhi, madhya bhage. Common. Annadi pachanam, the digestion of the food. Samana. We know. No need to remember. Common word this is. So it's located in the navel area. The helping in digestion. Vyana. This you need to remember. Vyana is located. Normally we know Vyana is present throughout the body. Akhila Sariravarti. Throughout the body. But here Vyana tells Hridaya Sthala. Remember. Question may ask. in heart region which Vayu is located according to Prashna Upanishad? The answer should be Vyana Vayu. And explain here under Vyana Vayu, 101 nadis evolved or emerges from here. Where? Heart region. If you go Kathopanishad, also same line comes. Hridayat. From heart, 101 nadis emerges and they goes through the Sushumna and moves towards the Kapala Randhra, upper palate. Kathopanishad. Here it tells about here 108 nadis they emerges or evolved from here. Here means Hridaya by the help of Vyana, and later they divided into 72,000 number. Okay. Now you may got doubt one, small doubt. If the question asks according to Prashna Upanishad how many nadis are there, what you will write in exam?
101.
72,000 or 101?
101.
101 nadi. 101 nadi according to Prashna as well as Katha. Remember.
Katha.
Okay. And opening also same. 11, only 11. Prashna and Katha, 11, 11. What are 11 we will be discussing last Upanishad. Okay. And 70, they later on they become 72,000 nadis. So here explain here, all nadi moves by Vyana only, Vyana Vayu. Remember, because they emerges from heart and heart related heart parts which Vayu located Vyana. Okay. Udana. Udana normally we know is located into throat region, Kantha, Stanya. But here explain here, Punya Karmena, Udana Vayu. If you do Punya Karma, Punya Lokam Nayati, it will take you towards the Punya Loka. If you do good work, means Swarga, Punya Karma. If you do Papa Karma, it takes to Patala, Papa Lokam, Patala, Narakadi. Okay. Udana Vayu takes us into different yoni. Remember, this is the point. Which Vayu takes us to different yoni. If you do bad work, you may go to Kita. Kita means insects, Kukura, dogs, and all these yonis. If you do bad work, which Vayu is taking towards that? Udana Vayu. Okay. If you do good work, it takes to maybe Bhuva, Shva, Mahajana, Tapa, Swarga, any loka, Urdha loka. Which Vayu takes to you? Udana Vayu. Okay. You should be very clear with this Pancha Vayu. One questions they will ask from here, the locations or the function, anything. Okay. Now see. Prana Rupi Agni. Prana Rupi Agni. Prana is known as the Agni. There are 7 Jwala. Jwala means what you call in English, Jwala means spark. The 7 kind of spark. If there is a fire is going on, like burning fire, spark will be there. If you see the any kind of industry, means iron industry, to make any doors and all, they will be beating hammer and all. So that chingari will go. Chingari, it's initial chingari. The spark will move here and there. That's why they cover their mouth by having one glass. So that spark, how many spark are explained here? 7. Sapta Jwala. You will get this reference in Mundaka Upanishad also. Like 7 Jwala of Agni. We will be explaining there Kali, Karali and all this. Okay. Means they are explaining Sapta Juha, 7 tongue of fire. Here explains 7 Jwala, the spark here. So what are the 7? 2 nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 mouth. Total how many over? 7. Okay. This is may not be important, but I got in Bhashya, so I written 7 Jwala. 7 Jwala of Prana. The other 7. Till here, if you have any doubt, you can ask. We completed 3 questions. Can you tell who asked the first questions? Rishi name? First question why?
Kavandi.
Kavandi. Second why?
Bhargava.
Third why?
Kaushalya.
Kaushalya. Very good. Now next, 4th questions by Saurani or Ashwalayan.
Sauran.
Yes. Each question is 5 questions already told. First question is Manushya Sharire, which Devata sleeps? Who is the Devata who sleeps in the Manushya Sharira? In the body of the human. Who is the Devata? Is still answer given by Pippala is Manas. Mind is the Devata who sleeps in the human body. Mind is the Devata. Next question explain here. Manushya, this is the symbol is like same line. Manushya Sharire, who awakes during the our sleep also, we will be sleeping. Our mind won't work. Abhava pratyaya alambara vritti nidra. There will not be any kind of knowledge. That is called the sleep state. So who awakes in that state also? Answer given is Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. The Pancha Prana, Prana Upana Vyana Samana, they will be functioning. Digestion will be taking place. Because you don't have the control over that. It will be going automatically. Pranayama will be doing continuously, it will be going. Even though you are sleeping, even though you are maybe in deep sleeps, there are some stages are there in sleep. Even though you are in deep sleep, the stage, still prana will be moving. So what question was there? Question was there, who awakes? That is the question. The answer is Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. Okay. Next question is here, who means Manushya Sharire, who dreams in the human body? Who dreams? Answer given Jivatma, not Paramatma. Okay, Jivatma. If you go to Mundaka Upanishad, I will be explaining there. Two types of Jivatma and Paramatma are there. Two Atmas are there. They will be present in a tree. One will be enjoying the universe, one will not enjoy. He will be looking only. Da Sapurna Saya Sakhayo. This how mantra will come. That will be discussed later. Now here question is there. Manushya Sharira, in a human body, who dreams? The answer, you also sleeping and you get dream. Morning you will be telling, I dream this thing, that things. Actually, who dreams? Jivatma. And under Jivatma, Manas, Indriya are there. Due to the help of mind and senses, only you dreaming. Without Manas and Indriyas, you cannot dream. So the supports of Manas and Indriya, Jivatma dreams. So question was who dreams? The answer is Jivatma. Next question is there, Manushya Sharira, in a human body, who feels happy? Who feels happy? The answer is Jivatma. Paramatma won't feel happy or unhappy, sorrow, no, because he is beyond all this. So who is under that? Who is bound to that? Jivatma or the individual soul. Next question explain here. All devatas are present where? All kinds of devatas, they are present where? Answer is Paramatmani. They are present in Paramatma, the supreme soul. So all the devatas, they are present in the Paramatma. This question is very important questions. Remember, all devatas, according to these Upanishads, all devatas means Surya Devata, Chandra Devata, Vayu Devata, Agni Devata, they present in where? Paramatma. They will give the options. The answer is Paramatma. Now here explain, only told Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. Remember here, who awakes? Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. Now here explain there Pancha Prana Rupi what and all. Pancha Prana Rupi explanation given here. The first Prana Rupi Agni is called Garhya Patya. Garhya Patya. Second is called Ahavaniya. Ahavaniya. You write in English. I read in Sanskrit only. I would have written in English. Ahavaniya. Third one is called Dakshina Agni.
So once again.
Yes. Garhya Patya. Garhya Patya. Garhya Patya. I will tell the meaning also. Just write Garhya Patya. First Agni. Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. First one. Garhya Patya. Second one is, if you are able to understand Hindi or Sanskrit, is very good. Ahavaniya. 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 Third one is Dakshina Agni. Dakshina Agni. Easy. Dakshina Agni. Fourth one is Ahuti. ahuti, ahuti. And fifth one is ishtaphala, ishtaphala, ishtaphala. Aita, done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now everyone is done with this 5 name. Manjunath?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the Garhyapatta is known as the Apana. Question will ask, synonym of Apana is, ABCD option will come. Then you should choose Garhyapatya. Here Apana is known as Garhyapatya. When they become the fire, Agni. Pancha Prana Rupi Agni we are talking now. That is. So when Pancha Prana works as a fire, Agni, then their name gets changed. When you as a student, when you come to university, you become some other. You become the teacher. So same way explain here. The Apana is known as Garhyapatya, similar to Brahma. And he is similar to Brahma because he is the main. If you go for Prana, Pranavayu is known as Ahavaniya, Ahavaniya, similar to Vishnu, Vishnu. And Vyana is known as Dakshina Agni. Remember as Dakshina Murti, so Dakshina Agni, similar to Shiva or Rudra. Okay. And Ahuti is known as Samana. Similar to, there is no mention here, only mention Samana. Ahuti is known as Samana. Ishtaphala is known as Udana. Because based on your work, it takes to some other loka. Maybe upper loka, maybe below loka. Based on your Ishta, your activities, it takes Udana. Okay. Now here one key point you should remember, this very important point here. I written as some other point here. Another name of Vyana. You already know the Vyana synonym is Dakshinagni. Another name also given here, Anmayahartha Pachanagni. Anmayahartha Pachanagni. Anmayartha means for food, Pachanagni, digestive fire or digestive Agni, is known as Vyana. Short question may ask, like which Vayu is helps in digestion according to Prashna Upanishad? Then your answer should come as
Anmahartha Pachanagni.
that is there. If the option is there Vyana, you should choose as Vyana.
Vyana.
Yes, if there is options according to Prashna Upanishad. If according to any Upanishad or any other text, then answer should be Samana. Remember. That's why uncommon things you need to remember here. Okay. So we complete here fourth question. Next question asked by Satyakama. Fifth questions. Okay. Pancha Prashna by fifth questions. Satyakama. Fifth question. Omkar related already told. See, the first question is here. What is the benefit of Omkara? Omkara Upasana. If you do Upasana of Omkara, what is the benefit? Simple question ask. And the answer given by Pippala is, if you practice see Omkara having the three matra, A, U, Ma, A, U, M. Now if you practice Akara, you reaches to Mrittuloka. Mrittuloka means Prithvi. Prithvi means who. Now why Prithvi is called Mrittuloka? I think you know one verse, very famous line by Sankaracharya. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi matri jathare sayanam. The jatra, the womb of Mata, you need to come and take birth again and again. It depends on your work, what kind of activity, karma you did. So what I explain here, Mrityuloka means in this universe, pain, pleasure, so many things are there. Most of the times you will feel pain only. That's why I explain here, like Sarvam Dukham Vivekinaha. Yoga Sutra. For Viveki, everything is Dukkha only, pain only. Okay. So Dukkha Loka is called Mrityu Loka, this Bhuvana, this universe, Samsara. If you practice akara, akara prarthana, akara upasana, you will reach to mrityu loka, this universe. And richa, you know richa. Richa is Veda, they have their richa. Here richa is called Rig, or is related to Rig Veda. So that person who is practicing upasana of Omkara upasana, if he practice akara, continuous practice akara, 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 he reaches to mrityu loka or prithvi loka or vu, this loka, this samsara, and he should be expert in Rig Ved. Rig. Okay. Now if a person practice two things, akara and second matra ukara together. See, first matra is akara plus second matra ukara together. If he practice, what will happen? Answer given is sarga loka. He will reaches to sarga loka or chandra loka or soma loka. Soma also known as chandra only. Soma or chandra. Sarga loka or bhuva. And he should become the expert in two Veda, Rig Ved and Yajur Ved. Mainly in Richa level explain, Rig Richa and Yajur Richa. Richa is the part of Veda again. If you go little deep into the Aranyak part, like the gross separation we know, Samhita, Brahman, Aranyak and Upanishad. If you go under the Aranyak, these things will come. Richa, Rishi, all these things will come. So that is no need to know for yoga student. So he should know the Rig Ved and Yajur Ved. Who is doing prarthana of akara and ukara, first matra and second matra. Then only he reaches to Swarga Loka or Chandra Loka or Shoma Loka or Bhuva also you can say. And the third one is friend, who practice three things together, means akara, ukara and makara. And he should be expert in Rig Ved, Yajur Ved and Sama Ved. He reaches to Brahma Loka or Brahma Prapti, who is beyond the Sarga Loka. Sarga is the one Loka and the Brahma Loka is beyond that. Brahma Loka or Swaha. Okay. So we need to practice three things together. Then only reach to Brahma Loka. When you practice pranayama, sometimes what happen? Akara, ukara, makara, omkara, pranadhani, anything. Your akara is there, ukara is there, makara is not visible, not audible. Because you will become tired by pronouncing makara. So if you practice continuously, you won't get result of Brahma Prapti, Brahma Loka knowledge. You will reach hardly Sarga Loka or Mrityu Loka. If you want to reach here, Brahma Loka, you should practice three things, akara, prathama, ditya and three matra together, along with the expert of Rig, Yaju, Sama, Ved. So remember, three Veda is known as Rig, Yaju and Sam. Atharva is not counted on the three Veda because Atharva added at the end, recently added. Recently means it's far ago, means long ago. Still it's after of these three, Rig, Yaju and Sam. Then later on Atharva added. So if a person expert in this three Veda, he can go for this three, akara, ukara, makara. That's why to read Veda and Upanishad and all, they ask the adhikari. You should become adhikari, otherwise you cannot read all these things. Adhikari must be there. Then only you can go for this. Okay. So I mentioned here, Purna Rupa Omkara. Purna Rupa means full Om, Auma, Upasana. It leads to Brahma Lokasya Prapti. It leads to Brahma Loka. Short question may ask, Brahma Loka can be gained or can be attained by practicing of akara, ukara, makara or akara, ukara, makara together. Then your answer must be
Together.
together. Very good. You have any doubt till here? Till here, do you have any doubt? No. Next question asked by Shukesha, the last person. Sixth question asked by Shukesha. What question? See, here one line is there. One other person was there. and his name was Hiranyanaabha. Remember, Hiranyagarbha is not there, or Hiranyaksha is not there. What you know in Mahabharata story. Hiranyanaabha, name is Hiranyanaabha. He asked question to Shukesha. One question asked, and Shukesha was not very good expert, and he told, I don't know. Let me ask to my guru, Pippalad. If I get answer, I will inform you. Same way, like if you ask me whether tomorrow there is a class or not, I cannot answer. I should get permission from the coordinator of that program. If he permits, I can take. If he not, I cannot. Same thing. So Shukesha was there, and Hiranyanaabha, he asked question to Shukesh, and he was not able to give the answer. Who was not able to give the answer? Shukesha, because he was not knowing the answer. Then he told, let me ask to Pippalad. I will ask to Pippalad, then I will give the answer. Okay. Now his question was there, question of Shukesha, because Shukesha only asked to Pippalad, because the actually questions asked by Hiranyanaabha, and that question taken by Shukesha. So Shukesha directly asked to Pippalad. The question is, Shorosha Kalayukta Purusha Kaha. Who is the Purusha who is abundant with 16 Kala? 16 Kala, I think no. Shorosha Kala. And Kutra Sthita. And where he present. That Purusha. And the answer given by Pippalad, the answer is Sarire Sthitaha. The person is present here, answer given. Present in Sarira, in our body itself. Now, 16 Kalas. What are the 16 Kalas? Explanation here. You need to understand, you need to remember this 16 Kalas. Very important. According to order. First is explained here. The first Kala is called Prana. Second is Shraddha. Shraddha. See, these are the words, they won't change in net exam. If you write in English medium also, they won't change. Prana word, they won't change some other word. They will write Prana, Prana only. Shraddha, Sradha, Shraddha, not respect. They won't change in the English form respect. They will write Shraddha only. So you should know this. 16 colors are Prana, second Shraddha, third is Pancha Mahabhuta, Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Apa and Prithvi. Easy to remember. Next is Antarindriya, Rantakrana, Manas and Indriyani, mind and senses, sensory organs. Plus explain Annam, Viryam, Tapa, Mantra, Karma, Loka and Nama. Okay. Now I will be discussing on that, all this. Now first you see Prana. From Prana itself everything starts, already told, evolutions. Prana and Rai. So Shraddha. Shraddha means called Astika Buddhi. You should have that Buddhi to give the Shraddha. Sorosha Kala means 16 qualities you can take as. 16 qualities, 16 factors must be there for a good person. For example, you can take for a good teacher, what are the qualities should be there? He should have the good knowledge regarding the subject, one. He should behave nicely in front of student, one. Second, and he should have the good capacity to maintain the class, and he should be prominent in his career and is in a charitra characteristics. Few characteristics must be there. So here explain the Purusha, 16 Purusha, the Purusha which is having the 16 Kala, and what are the Kala? What are the essential quality must be? First explain here. Shraddha, Shraddha should be there. Astika Buddhi must be there. When he goes to public or teachers, any senior person, he should give that Shraddha. Astika Buddhi should be there. And 5 Bhutas. Our body is made of 5 Bhutas, we know. No need to remember here Akasha, Vayu, Teja, Apa and Prithvi. Order only, Pancha Mahabhuta. Plus Antakarana, here is Manas and Indriyani. 2 Antakarana, Manabuddhi Ahankara is not here. Only Manas and Indriyani. Okay. Now one point you should remember here. According to Yoga or Sankhya, Antakaranas are, how many Antakaranas are there? According to Yoga and Sankhya, anyone?
3.
3. What are they?
Manas, Buddhi, and Ahankara.
According to Vedanta, how many are there? If you read Vedanta Sara, it comes. Mana, Buddhi, Ahankara, and Chittam. Chittam also included under Antakarana. If you read Vedanta Sara, any Vedantic philosophy, it comes. Should be clear. So here Manas and India is known as the Antakarana. Plus explain Anyam. Annam means to build the human body. He manifests Annam. Because Anna must be there, otherwise how you can build your body. Here Anna means not only rice, remember. Any kinds of food which can be eaten. It may be liquid format, it may be smoke format cigarette, or maybe it may be format of rice chapati or any hard format. So he built the food, he made the food to build the human body. One. Next, Viryam. Why he made Viryam? For the digestions of the food. Virya means strength. After having food, some strength must be there to digest that. Those who see in human body, those who having the less Virya, their digestion quality is very less. So Virya is not only this Himan, the literally meaning is Shiman. Here Virya stands for the strength of that particular person. So for the digestion of the food, strength must be there, which is called Viryam. Plus Tapas, to do Indriya Sanyama. Tapas must be there. That's why he made Tapas. Oh, Paramatma made under Purusha. Next, Mantra. Mantra is helpful to do Tapas. If you can do Tapas for physically, mentally, anything, some mantra must be there, like Om Bhu Bhuva Shubha. Any mantra must be there. Om Namah Shivaya, any. So mantra only created. Next, explain the karma. Based on the karma, loka praptyartham. Because karma why he created, you should get some loka. Loka means it may be sarga, it may be this marta, it may be patala, naraka, anything. Based on your activities, you will get that post. Based on your function, you will get the assistant professor, associate professor, any other post. Same thing explained here. Like lokaha. So sorry, karma. Karma, based on your karma, he made the, to enjoy that karma phala, he made the lokas. All depends on loka. Here also by loka. To manifest the different loka. Okay. Why he manifests the loka? Different loka is manifested based on the karma. See, if you do good work, you will go to sarga. If you do bad work, you will go to naraka. If you do normal mixture, then you will come to Prithivi. Okay. If you do very good work, you will reach to maybe Duloka or Antariksha, above the Sarga. If you do not do anything beyond the karma, then you reach to Brahma Loka. That's why Yoginam Strividham Itaresham, Ashugula Krishnam, 4th Yoga Sutra 4.7. That expression given there. Plus explain Nama. Why Nama is given? Lokanam Nama Karanartham. All lokas are there to give their name, specific name. Your name is given. Why your name is there? To identify. Why Harshita, Manjunatha name is there, Sulakshmi name is there? To identify the particular person. Otherwise we can call, hey man, come. It won't be, means not sufficient to understand. That's why name has given. So Lokanam Nama Karanartham. To give the Nama. In childhood also we do Upanayana Samaskara, like under Sarosha Samaskara, Namakarana is the one of the Samaskara. You should remember there. Now this 16 Sorosha Kala Yukta Purusha, after the evolutions, enters into the body. So after the evolutions, the Paramatma, he enters into the Sorosha Kala Yukta body. That's why the Paramatma is known as Jivatma. When he enters from that entity to, supreme entity to this, what is called individual entity. I mean, when you enter into the human body, he is known as the Jivatma. Because there is no separateness. Remember, if you put the water from bottle to in the mug, water may not change, shape may get changed. Bottle was, it was 1 liter bottle, shape was different. If you put in your bowel, the shape will get changed, but the quality of water will be same. Same way, Jivatma enters into, Paramatma enters into Jivatma body. Quality will be same. Everything is same only. But structure only got changed. How the bottle water and bowel water. Then only he known as Jivatma. Okay. So here completes this Upanishad. Which Upanishad? Prashna Upanishad. Should remember this 16 kala. Sorosha kala, very important. Step by step you should know. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask quickly. Yes. Sandhya, doubt? Manjunatha, Sunitha ma'am? Sri Lakshmi?
Sir, second slide doubt.
Second means tell the questions. Which question number 1? Question number 2?
No. Unless sir, first introduction starting.
Introduction, okay. You asking here?
No, second slide.
Second slide. Second, okay. Asking here. Yes. Okay. See here. Prajapati Brahma. Yes.
Next.
Next slide. Okay. Here.
Next.
Okay. Here.
Ah.
Third questions.
Not questions.
Yes.
About Bhargava.
Bhargava is the second person. Here second question. See here. Bhargava. Here second question. Under that 3 questions were there. Second person. First question. Hello. Second question. Here only doubts. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask. Harshita, Sri Lakshmi. No doubt. Okay. Very good. So,
I wrote only 15 colors.
15th kola. Okay. Very good. So you should ask the question. That's why. So don't keep aside or silent. 16 colors are there. Now 17 colors are available here. Last is Nama. Okay. First color, if you see, comes here Prana. Second, Shraddha. Third, Panchamahabhuta, Akasha, Vayu, Tejas, Apa and Prithvi. Next, Mana and Indriyani. Next,
Okay, sir. Prithvi missing.
Okay. Annam, Viryam, Tapas, Mantra, Karma, Loka and Nama. 16 kalas. Okay. Any doubts other? Should I start to ask questions?
Sure, sir.
Yes. So, first question to Harshita only. Can you tell the source of this Veda, source of this Upanishad?
So,
Can you tell the source of this Upanishad?
Atharva
Yes, Atharva Veda. Any other Shakha or any other things explain? Atharva Veda, Pippalad Shakha. Okay. How many questions explains under here?
6 questions.
Very good answer.
6 questions.
Now, Sri Lakshmi will tell the name of the 6 rishis one by one. Yes.
First one is Kavanti,
Kavanti.
Bhargava,
Bhargava, second Rishi.
then Kaushalya,
Then Kaushalya,
Saurani,
Saurani,
Satyakama,
Satyakama,
Sukesha. Very good.
Sukesha.
Sorani, another name also given Ashwalayan, and another name also of that. Yes, Sorani.
Garg.
Sorry, Kaushalya. Another name is Ashwalayan, and Sorani is Garga. That also you should keep in mind. Okay. Now, question to Madam.
Okay.
When they approached to Pippalad, and what he suggested to all 6 members? One year practice brahmacharya with tapas. 1 year practice tapas with brahmacharya. Then come and I will give the answer. Very good answer. Now, can Manjunath tell the difference between the prana and rai, that chart? Prana and rai, that chart.
Manjunath is not this.
Manjunath is
Manjunath
not
is not there.
there, sir.
Let me see. Manjunath is not there. Who is there? Only 4 members. Sandhya can tell. The chart only made difference between the prana and rai.
Chetana, achetana. Chetana, achetana.
Tell quickly.
Surya, Chandra, Surya, Chandra, Preraka Shakti, Bhogya Shakti, Shreyam, Marga, Dina, Ratri, Uttarayana, Devayana, Pidyana, Atta, Anat.
Yes. Atya, this is annam. Anyam can be eaten by Atya. Annam. Annam means any food. From here, 2017, one question asked. Okay. Now, Harshita will tell the Prajapati Sarupas, the Sarupa Prajapati, or the characteristics or features of Prajapati, who gives birth to Prana and Rai. Yes.
Panchapadayuktam. 12.
Can you tell the Panchapada's name also?
12 Akriti.
Panchapada's name also?
Panchamahabhuta and
Panchaprana.
Okay.
Panchaprana.
Should I tell the names, sir?
Yes,
Should
yes,
I
yes.
tell the names, sir?
Okay.
Okay.
Apana, Prana,
Apana,
Vyana,
Prana,
Samana, and
Vyana,
Udana.
Samana,
Okay.
and Udana.
Aptatva,
Okay.
Aptatva,
Prithvi.
No, my question was different. My question was there, like Prajapati Sarupa, the features of Prajapati under this Upanishad explain.
Sapta Chakra Yukta.
Sapta Chakra.
Yes, all these things. Sapta Chakra Yukta, Sapta Chakra is known as
7 days.
7 days.
And sorry, sir, I'm not clear about
Sorry,
this.
sir,
Okay,
I'm
you
not
have
clear about
you have not written, huh?
sixth
Okay,
season.
I have written, sir, but
not
I
clear.
have written, sir,
Then
but
Sandhya will clear you. Sandhya will clear you.
Yes.
When you Sandhya, can you?
Yeah, Panchapada Yukta. 12 Akriti Yukta means 12 months, 12 openings. Antariksha Dharana Yukta. Sapta Chakra Yukta.
No, 7 days.
seasons involved.
7 days.
Yes, you should very
7
clear with
days.
this.
Sir,
Okay.
the Sanskrit word was
6 Ritabaha. Ritabaha means the season. Already written right side, you can see here. Seasons. My handwriting is not very good. 6th season. Then Dinaratri Anna Viryadi, everything is done by that particular person. These are the features. Short question, they may ask questions. What is the features of Brahma or Prajapati Brahma according to this Upanishad? You should get, these are the options. One of the options you will get. Very clear with this. Okay. Now Srilashmi can tell the questions of Bhargava.
First question is
First question is which devata do
Praja
dharana of
will take care
praja
of
means who
Praja.
will take care of praja.
Answer?
Answer Prana.
Answer prana.
Which devata gives the
Which
power to the
devata give
Praja?
the power
Yes.
to the praja?
Here power means the Prakasha, lighting, signing.
Prakasha.
Prakasha.
Answer is Prana.
Answer is prana. Who is the
Supreme.
devata?
Answer is Prana.
Supreme
Answer
Devata is
is
Prana only.
prana.
Very good answer. Very good answer. Now Sandhya will tell, can you tell the name of the Tritiya Rishi who was asking the question and what are the questions?
Kaushalya.
What are the questions
Kaushalya.
asked by him? 6 questions he asked. So tell.
How prana
Gets manifested or utpaddate.
How prana
utpatti.
utpatti.
Atmanaha
Atmanaha
Yes.
sakshat.
How prana enters into
How
our body
prana enters into our body
is sankalpa
is
of mind.
sankalpa
And
of mind.
Yes. Manasa sankalpana. Correct.
How prana separates himself.
How prana separates himself.
How
And
Chakravarti Samrat
how
gives
Chakravarti
an
Samrat gives
appointment to the
an appointment to the
specific officer separately.
specific
This
officer
way prana
separately.
separates from
This
the
way prana
Panchaprana.
separates from the
Yes.
Pancha
See, you no
prana.
need to write the what to what. You should know the concept. You can write in your own words. No problem. But
Okay.
main thing you should know the concept.
Okay.
Okay. You can get some other word also there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Some next questions.
How body gives to
How
the
body
other
gives
sloka.
to the
Okay.
other sloka.
Udhana Vayu moves
Udhana
from the
Vayu
Muladhara to
moves
Sushumna
from the Muladhara to
goes out.
Sushumna and goes out.
And how acts as
And how acts
external
as
Jagat.
external
How prana acts
Jagat.
as external.
How prana
as a
acts
Surya,
as a
Rupena.
Surya
How
Rupena.
prana acts as inner
How
Jagat
prana
as
acts as inner
prana
Jagat
Vayu
as
Rupena.
a prana
Very
Vayu
good. Very
Rupena.
good. Next. Can Madam will tell the all prana, pancha prana and their location. Pancha prana.
Panchaprana.
Yes.
The Panchaprana,
According
according
Prashnopanishads
to Prashnopanishad,
Apana
are
Vayu, which is present in the
Apana
rectum,
Vayu, which is
and
present
the
in the
reproductive
rectum,
organs, that is
and
Buddha
the
and
reproductive
Upastha.
organs, that is Buddha
Prana
and
Vayu
Upastha.
present in the
Prana
face,
Vayu present in the
nose,
face,
the
the
eyes,
nose,
and the ears,
the
that is
eyes, and
Mukha,
the
Nasika,
ears,
Chakshu,
that
and
is
Shrota.
Mukha, Nasika,
Samana
Chakshu, and
Vayu
Shrota.
present in the middle
Samana
part of the
Vayu
body, that
present
is
in the middle
Nabhi,
part of the
Madhya
body, that is
Bhage.
Nabhi, Madhya
And
Bhage. And
it is for the reason of
it is for the
Annadinam
reason
Pachanam,
of
that is the digestion of
Annadinam
various
Pachanam, that is
foods.
the
And
digestion
then
of
the
various
Dhyana,
foods. And
which
then
is
the
present in
Dhyana,
Hridaya Sthale,
which
that
is
is the
present
heart.
in Hridaya Sthale, that is the
101
heart.
nadis evolved from
101
here,
nadis evolve
and
from
then they
here,
are classified into
and then they are
72,000
classified
nadis.
into
And
72,000
all
nadis.
these nadis
And all
are
these
moved only by
nadis
the
are
Dhyana
moved
Vayu.
only by the
The
Dhyana
final,
Vayu.
the
The
sixth
final,
prana
the
is
sixth
Udana Vayu,
prana is
which is present
Udana
in the
Vayu,
throat region.
which is present in the throat
By
region.
Punya Karma, by
By
doing good
Punya
work,
Karma,
Punya
by
Loka
doing
is
good work, Punya Loka
reached,
is
and by doing bad work
reached,
or Papa
and by
Karma,
doing bad
Papa
work
Loka
or
or
Papa
the
Karma,
other
Papa
Loka,
Loka or the
which is
other Loka,
bad is
which is
reached. And
bad
Udana
is
Vayu
reached.
takes us to
And
different
Udana Vayu
yonis,
takes us
that
to
is to
different
different
yonis, that is
wombs,
to
like
different wombs,
Manushya, Pashu,
like
Pakshi,
Manusha,
etc.
Pashu, Pakshi,
Very good
etc.
answer. Very good answer. Very good answer. Next, Harshad will tell the fourth questions, means fourth Rishi story. What are all question he asked and what are the answer given by the particular people. Fourth Rishi.
Gargya,
Gargya
Surya,
sir,
Okay,
Surya
Saurani or Garga. Okay.
Okay.
Question and answer till.
Okay.
He asks about the
He asks about
organs
the
which go
organs
which
which
go to
go
sleep in a
which go
which
to
go to
sleep
sleep
in a
in a person, the
which go to
ones
sleep in
that
a
remain
person, the
awake.
ones
Remember
that
here
remain awake.
organs they not use.
The
What
deity,
use? Devata. Which Devata sleep? All always
Deity.
yes. Devata what use?
deity.
Deity.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
One minute,
Devata.
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Devata who experiences dreams
Devata
and
who
happiness,
experiences dreams
and
and
where
happiness,
everything gets
and
merged
where
during
everything
deep
gets
sleep.
merged during
Pipalada
deep
answers
sleep.
that it
Pipalada
is
answers
prana
that
which keeps
it
awake in
is prana which keeps awake in
the body during sleep, and
body during
it
sleep,
is the mind
and
which
it is the
experiences
mind which
dream.
experiences
Okay.
dream uh,
Dream actually
During
done by Jivatma.
during
Jivatma.
Jivatma. And the
Jivatma.
combination of Jivatma is Manas and Indriyas, senses. Okay, next.
That much only I have written.
That
Why
much
not
only I
written
have written,
next
sir.
further? Okay. Why one feel happiness? You feel happiness due to the Jivatma only. Who feels happiness? Jivatma only, not Paramatma.
Jivatma, okay, okay.
And, yes,
Jivatma.
that
Okay,
also I think you have
okay.
written, but you not clearly. I think you written very quickly. Okay.
Uh,
All devatas are present in Paramatma only. All devatas mean Vayu Devata, Surya Devata, Agni Devata, Soma Devata, all other devatas present in Paramatma. Yes, very good answer. Now Sandhya will tell the 5 Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. their name and their position or synonym. Means apana is known as Garhapatta and all this.
Osh. Okay. Osh. Okay. Garyapatyam. Garyapatyam. Similar to Brahma.
Okay.
Similar to Brahma. Ahvaniya. 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 Synonym is prana. Synonym is prana. Similar to Vishnu. Dakshinagni. Vyana. Similar to Shiva. Vyana. Similar to Shiva or Rudra. Synonym samana. Ahuti. Synonym samana. And Ishtaphala. Synonym udana. Vyana is the other name of Vyana. Anvayartha Panchagni.
Yes.
Pachanagni.
So if question asks which Vayu is or which prana is responsible for digestion according to this Upanishad, then the answer should be if that kind of option is there, means you should go for, otherwise Vyana. Yes.
Vyana.
Next question will be
Sir?
otherwise.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir,
One clarification
Yes,
here.
yes.
one clarification here.
According to
According
the
to
Pancha, the Pranavayus,
Okay.
the Pranavayus,
Samana Vayu is
Samanavayu
given as
is
Annadinam
given
Pachanam.
as
Yes.
Annadinam Pachanam.
But here,
Yes.
But
in
here,
Panchaprana Rupi
in
Agni,
Panchaprana Rupi Agni,
it is Vyana Vayu,
it
which
is
is
Vyanavayu,
considered
which is
for
considered
Anvayartha
for
Pachanam.
Anvayartha
Digestion
Pachanani. What?
for purpose. Digestion, assimilation, all other purpose.
Yes,
Vyana
sir.
is responsible.
Yes, sir.
So, which is
So,
are
which
both
is
correct, or how is it?
are
In
both
one
correct,
question,
or how
the
is it? In
answer
one
is
question,
Samana. In the
the
other
answer
question,
is
here
Samana.
it
In
is
the other
Vyana
question,
Agni.
here it is
Yes.
Vyana
See,
Agni.
here
in
question.
one-
Yes.
So,
Remember,
in one,
when sometimes when you sit for food purpose, you will do some kind of achamanam. If you are Brahman family, you will do having some achamanam, then you will do having the food. So what happen? You will be, if you go for the yaga yagya, that times you will be informing or asking some other special god like Tom agacha. You will be doing that kind of means what is called information. Mean you will be asking them to informing them to come and all those things. So that agni, which agni is coming in our body and making our food digest. Normally it will be known as saman only, but when it's become as fire, that prana, like ahuti also I have explained. Ahuti time it's become the samana. When you give the ahuti of yagya, that time's name has become ahuti, his name. Actually it's only saman only, but name that particular specific time. Otherwise normal digestion purpose only this is. But if they ask question by chance according to this Upanishad, see in this Upanishad it's explained sometimes previous samana vayu, and when they specify for the digestion purpose is known as the anvayartha pachanagni. Anvayartha, when you making all these things together, anvaya, when you do for yaga yagya, that time food will be, you will be giving food like for Brahma purpose some food flower you giving some maybe banana or apples, so many things will be giving. That food can be digested by the help of Vyana Vayu, not the our normal digestion and all these things. See, if you see up where I should give you prompt here, already I discussed. Here, if you see here, he explain the normal body. See, this line is Samana is related to Annadinam Pachanam. Annadi. This is for our human being, normal human being. And this is if you go for when this 5 Vayu, Pancha Vayu become the Agni as a fire, works as a fire. That's what explain here. Pancha Prana Rupi Agni. Okay. Pancha Prana, they will function as fire, Agni. That time their name will become Garyapatta and all these things. And that time that Agni will works as a Yagya Rupi Agni. Like Vyana. It will be digested. It helps to digestion purpose. Means when you give the Ahuti, that Ahuti will be accepted, digested easily. Like for example, if you do Ashwamedha Yaga, for that Yaga purpose means you want to become the king of this universe. Ashwamedha, Indra he did that Yaga. If you do that purpose, and he was used to get the Ishtaphala. So that digest that Agni purpose, he should inform Brahma, because Brahma tam agacha, Vishnu tam agacha. That information should goes to them and they should come here. And that whatever he is giving, that food and all, that should be accepted or that should be digested. By whom? By the Vyana Vayu. So here Vyana work is not for the our digestion, means not our own digestion, human digestion. is a digestion is related to that supreme one, means yaga related. That is devatas, those whom we are calling. This is Vyana. Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Clear. Thank you.
So if the question asks the digestions, you have to get the clear idea that normal digestion, if they ask questions like Manusya, human digestion can be done by the help of which Vayu according to this Upanishad, then you should go for Samana. If there is options like the not normal digestion, Yagya Rupi, during the Yagya, which Vayu is helpful for the Pachana, the Agni Pachana, means we will be throwing some rice and all. If you go to in Yaga Rupa, Yagya, we will be throwing some rice, chaval, and that under that, and Girtama and all these things. That Havana should be accepted. Havan karenge. That Havana should be accepted by whom? That digestion takes place by the help of Vyana. So you should be very clear with this point also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next questions. Next question answer will be given by Sri Lakshmi. Can you tell the fifth person, fifth Rishis and his questioning and answer? Fifth person, fifth Rishi.
Satyakama.
Satyakama is next.
Satyakama is
Question
Rishi.
was,
His
what is
question
the
was,
benefit of
what
Omkara
is the
Upasana?
benefit of Omkara Upasana?
Akara,
Akara,
Mrityuloka,
Mrityuloka or
Prithviloka,
Prithviloka
Synonym,
or
all
it's
synonym.
related to
It's related to
and
synonym.
it's
And
Rigveda
it's Rigveda.
Rigveda in the
and
sense
Uh,
the person must be
and
expert in the field of Rigveda.
yes.
Expertise must be there. Then only you can go for Akara Upasana.
then A plus O.
Then
Both
A
together
plus
he
O.
go
Both
to the
together he
Swargaloka
go
or
to the
synonyms
Swargaloka
Chandraloka
or
or
synonyms
Somaloka.
Chandraloka or
And
Somaloka.
uh,
And
he may be
uh,
expert.
he may be
Expert
expert.
in
He
Rigveda and
expert in
Yajurveda.
Rigveda and Yajurveda.
And next one is
And
A
next
plus
one
U
is
plus Ma
A plus U
leads
plus
to
Ma
Brahma Prapti.
leads to Brahma Prakti.
He is expert in Rigveda,
He is
Yajurveda and
expert in
Samaveda.
Rigveda, Yajurveda and Samaveda.
Okay. Now how Brahma Prapti can be done? If the person practice Purna Rupa Omkara, means Auma, full.
Omkara.
Omkara.
Yes.
Omkara Upasana.
Purna Rupa Omkara
Brahmaloka
Upasana.
Prapti.
Brahmaloka
Very good.
Prakti.
Now Sandhya will tell the sixth Rishi, Sukesha. What are the question and what are the answer? Sandhya. Yes, tell. Sixth Rishi, what are the question and what are the answer he discuss under that? Sandhya is not getting. Then Harshita will tell.
Sixth Rishi is
Sixth
Sukesha.
Rishi is
And he
Sukesha,
asks about
and
Shodash
he
Kala
asks
Purusha.
about Shodash
That is
Kala Purusha,
Purusha with the
that is
16
Purusha with the
limbs.
16
And
limbs,
where he resides.
and
Then
where he
Pipalada
resides.
answers that
Then
the
Pipalada
Purusha
answers
with
that the Purusha with the Purusha
resides in the body.
resides in the body.
Shodasha Kala
Shodasha
Shodasha Kalas are
Shodasha
Prana,
kalas are
Shraddha, Kama,
Prana, Shraddha,
Kama
Vayu,
is not there.
Kama,
Kama is not there.
Vayu, Jyoti.
Prana, Shraddha and Akasha.
Okay.
sorry sir. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry,
Prana,
okay.
Shraddha, Akasha.
Prana, Shraddha,
Akasha, Vayu,
Akasha. Akasha,
Agni,
Vayu,
Apaha,
Agni,
Prithvi,
Apaha,
Indriyas,
Prithvi,
Manas,
Indriyas,
Annam,
Manas,
Viryam,
Annam,
Tapa,
Viryam,
Mantra,
Tapa,
Karma,
Mantra,
Loka, and
Karma,
Nama.
Loka, and Nama.
These are the Shodasha Kalas.
These are the
Okay,
Shodasha
very
kalas.
good answer given. Very good answer given. And the Paramatma will enters into the Jivatma Sarira, which is having 16 Kala. Okay, very good answer. So last question to Sri Lakshmi. Last questions. Okay. Who is the Rishi who was giving the answer of all questions? Who was the person who is the Rishi who was giving the questions answer? Hello, are you getting me?
Pipalad.
Pipalad, yes,
Pipalad.
very good answer.
People
Yes.
are the Rishi. Good.
So this is how we completed Prashna Upanishad. Go through these two Upanishads, very good Upanishad. Okay, and it will be helpful. Okay, let's meet in the next class. Till there, bye.